All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Maya.
And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater, the show where I show you what comes in the mail.
Ma.
Yeah, the other day we got a package from Taiwan, and it's a rather large package, so I guess I better crack it open and see what's inside. Well, now we know who the package from. It's from TTL, so let's open this box. And what have we here? So this is the newest variety from TTL. What I'm getting from this is it's a pork variety that's spicy. And I remember they told me it has the Huajiao cooking wine with it, Huajiao liquor. But I don't know what this variety is called offhand. So if you're watching this video and not just listening to it, you'll be able to see right below where this is, what it's actually called. So yeah, well, wow, cool. They sent 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Well, cool. Thank you to Ben and Elaine over at TTL in Taiwan. I will be reviewing these shortly. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.